So now let us tour around the browser extension Hangout interface. So to access the browser extension Hangout that we installed in our previous lesson, I'm going to click on this button right here and I can access my Google Hangouts, the extension version of it. So I'm going to maximize this out. You can see that this is a separate window. And over here on the left side, you see all the conversations that you did. So all of the conversation that we had in the browser version of Hangouts is all available right here. You have an option to send the smiley face right here, just like this. And then you have the message option right here. And then you got attach photo option, just like this right here. You get the same options as you can see. So on the left side, you have an option to create a new conversation. You can go and access the settings from this area right here, and it appears right here. You can exit that out as well. Click on it again to open up Hangouts. As it opens up, you can see that it takes some time to load out right there. So once I click on any of the user, you can see that I have an option to start a video call. I have an option to pop it out right here as a separate box. So I can just pop it out into a separate box as well for that chat window and click on it again to pop it back in. So you want to have multiple chat windows floating around, then you can use this option as well. You can go over here, you have an option to create new group conversation. You can close this out or access option for that particular message from that area. And that is how the browser extension Hangouts interface is for Google Hangouts. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.